Good morning, Chalk Monsters. How are you? I am Kathy, and I'm coming to you live in the Chalk Monster Boutique this morning. I apologize for being late. I am a hot mess this morning. Let's get some music popping. My assistant here is Sharon to my VIP group. He's such a cute assistant. Do you need some help, assistant?
Just wherever it goes. I'm going to get the kids.
There we go. Thank you.
You guys have a wonderful day.
Hey, Amanda. Good evening, Amanda. Amanda from Australia. Thanks for joining me. Awesome. I love it. I love it. I love it. Who else is here? Amanda, I am so sorry I'm late. And I have to also apologize for being late. And I thought I had the Be Merry transfer, and I did. I forgot I sold it. So Merry and Bright, right? So we're going to do a football one. And I know, Amanda, I don't believe you guys have American style football in Australia. Tell me if I'm right. So this may not apply to you. But we're going to do this one this morning really quick since it's almost football season here in the US. And I'm going to do it on our board and pillar stand. So if you can see it, this is going to be super easy, super quick, and super fun. All right, so if you can see, you have AFL, okay, Australian Football League. Is it more like rugby, or is it more like American football? I can't remember. I visited Australia, but I can't remember if it's more like American football or if it's more like rugby. All right, so we're gonna do this on our cute little board and pillar stand. These stands are $19.99, and they've just come out with some recent cool improvements on them. You no longer have to put this peg in the back. It's like a little piece that screws in. So I'm excited about the new ones. Hey, Mary Jo, good morning. I'm sorry I'm late, Mary Jo. I have a hot mess today. I was just telling the group that, actually I think it's just you and Amanda right now, but I was just telling the group that I thought I had the Merry and Bright transfer, and I did, but I forgot that I sold it at a party last week. So we're gonna do football theme instead today. You are at, all right, I'm gonna cross country meet. I'll catch you in the replay. Okay, sounds good, Mary Jo. No worries. All right, so we're gonna do this on our board and pillar stand. This is $19.99, and it works, it fits perfectly for any A-size transfers. And then our bigger ones, like the B, you can fit portions of it on here. So you can see that I've already done this one with our lucky transfer. May your troubles be less, your blessings be more, and nothing but happiness come to your door. I love that Irish blessing. But it's time for it to go away. So you saw I took this off. Mine has chipped right here, but again, they've made some product improvements to these, so they don't do that anymore. And they sent me a new one, so that's pretty cool. So it can go this way, or it can go this way. Either one. All right, so we are going to wipe this off. Mary Jo, good luck at the cross-country meet. If you're still on, who is running today? Is it Weston? Let me know. Okay. If you guys are watching the replay, or if you're watching the replay, and you'll know if you're watching the replay, because if you don't see the little live button right there in the corner, it's red and it's live, then you are not catching me live. You are watching the replay. And I thought my mom was gonna jump on this morning and join, but we are has booked a show at the Orange County Convention Center today. The Kids and Family Show. It's from 10 to 5 today, 11 to 6 tomorrow. So I'm gonna pop over and help her a little bit. She's working the Chalk Couture booth. Weston's running. Oh, cool. Well, tell Weston the riddles say good luck. That is exciting. So anyway, I'm gonna pop over for most of the...
I'm going to get Cam, baby. Have a good day.
Okay, bye, babe. I'll see you for dinner. My husband's going to get my son at football practice. Camden. He had JV practice this morning. So anyway, I'm gonna pop over to the Orlando Convention Center and help my mom today with, she's got a Chalk Couture booth there with some other ladies, some other designers. So I'm gonna pop over for a little while and help her for as long as I can. So if you guys are local and in the area and wanna come by the convention center, 10 to 5 today, 11 to 5 tomorrow, pick up some Chalk Couture products, see what it's all about. We would love to see you. Okay, so this is an A size transfer. It's $9.99. It is called Touchdown. And we're gonna do this so simple and so quick. So I wanna show you, we'll do some bigger projects coming up, but I just wanted to show you an easy and simple one and how quick it can be. And then I've got to get moving so I can go help my mom. Yes, I thought she was going to watch this morning. She was asking me, how do I find you on Facebook? You're live. Cracks me up. Okay, so you can see I washed all that chalk off. This is one of our chalkboard surfaces, so it comes off so easy with water. I love it. Just love it. All right, I think I'm just gonna do going to do touchdown on this, just like this. It also comes with a football and the helmet. But I don't know if I'm going to use those today. I think I'm just going to do touchdown. And of course, in Alabama colors. And then I may come back. Yeah. I'm gonna do just touchdown today, make it so simple. And then I think in a future project, I'm gonna come back and add some more. Like an Alabama A or houndstooth in the background. That would be really cute. Hey, Alicia. Do you think, Alicia, I'm gonna head over soon to the convention center. Do you think I'm crazy for trying to squeeze in a live project real quick? I think I'm crazy. So crazy. I know I'm crazy. So I'm just gonna do this one so simple. I got to get my paste out. And simple and easy today because I gotta head out and I want to show you how quick you can make something, and then we'll come back at a later date. I think houndstooth with a red A, right, and touchdown would be super cute on this, getting ready for football season. Alabama opens up. Blue is having heart failure. Oh, I'm sure. I am sure, no doubt. This is how I roll, Alicia. Squeeze it all in. It's all gonna be good. As I like to say, it's just chalk. We are not saving lives, right? It is just chalk. And it is all fun, all the time, all kinds of craziness in the boutique. I'm telling you. All right. Alicia, I was gonna do the Merry and Bright transfer this morning, and I forgot I sold it. I came up here to grab it, and nowhere to be found. Okay, I'm just adding a little bit of water to my paste, distilled water, because it is a little thick, a little dry. You're sitting next to her. Tell her I love her and I can't wait to see her. And we are gonna rock it today. We're gonna have so much fun. Right? It's gonna be good. It's all good. So I should have used a stir stick to put this down, but I didn't think about it. Hey Alicia, ask Blue what she thinks of my project this morning. Quick and easy. Super fun. DIY. This would be cute if you guys are going to a football party, like a watch party, and you want to take something to someone's house. Do this in their school colors, right? Wouldn't that be super cute? Okay, and I just dropped these in my water bath. I'm gonna pull this off. I fuzzed it on my fuzzing cloth first, right, because it was a brand new transfer. If you guys are interested in learning more about Couture, we are a high-end DIY company. We make these silkscreen transfers, not stencils. Blue is speechless. She must love it then. I made her speechless. So we make these silkscreen transfers. They're not stencils. You can reuse them 10 to 15 times if you take good care of them. We make paste that I just used, non-toxic, semi-permanent. You saw I just washed it off. We make ink that is permanent. You heat set it. And then all these super cool tools, like my spray bottle, I'm putting it back in my bag because I'm going to take it with me. Transfer trimmers, squeegees. Here's a multi-purpose tool, a big squeegee, all kinds of stuff. And surfaces, like this board and pillar stand that I just showed you. All washes off with water. Stencils, I just call them stencils. The transfers, the tools, everything washes off with water. We make everything you need to make quick, fun DIY projects. So if you look at that, so fast, right? So we'll come back later and do another version, not today, but another version of this touchdown transfer. So if you want to, nope, I'm on my way, Alicia. So if you are interested in learning more about becoming a designer, message me or put join in the comments down below, okay? 40% off all the products. It's $99 to join. You get $240 worth of Couture products, and the only two requirements are $150 in spend per quarter, every 3 months, not monthly, and then a $19.99 website fee. That also includes a B-size transfer, okay? We also have Club Couture, $19.99 a month. You get a B-size transfer exclusive to the club, and you get 3 packets of paste. All you need to do a complete project, all the instructions, and you get a special bonus starter pack from me if you join with me. All right, if you are new to Couture and want more information, put #new. Message me and I will send you some more information. All right, gotta run, guys. See you later. Come see us at the Orlando Convention Center today, 10 to 5. Love ya. Hey, Amanda, have a great day. Mwah. Where are you headed today? I'm headed to the Kids and Family Show at the Orlando Convention Center on I-Drive. So if you are local, come see us. We would love to see you. All right. Mwah. Bye.